So, hello all. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I bought five more stock for tomorrow's intraday session. I'll explain you the logic behind trading these stocks, and as well as I provide you the levels, and you have to take a trade based on these levels only. So let's start the video. And the first stock which I'm looking at is Tata Chemicals. So if you see Tata Chemicals, this support line is this trend line is giving a good support to the stock, and this resistance trend line was broken. So you see here, so the technically for the long term, the targets for this stock is this one 833, but the stock will not directly go there. There will be some hurdles for it. So if you see here, the stock first took a support here. Okay, then it gave a up move. Now it's consolidating here. So tomorrow what you have to do is, if this resistance line, that is 775.80, is broken, you can directly go ahead and buy the stock. The first target is 797.80, and you'll be getting a targets of somewhere around 2.5%. Okay, so if this is a no trading zone for you guys. So note down, the no trading zone is 775.40 and 772.35. If 772.35 is broken, you can go ahead and short, and you will be getting a targets of somewhere around 1.5, and the second target will be somewhere around 753.75. So somewhere around 2% of the target you will get it. So this is a first stock. Let us go to the next stock. It's Jubilant Pharmova. So Jubilant Pharmova, as you see here, it typically in a downtrend here. So and there is a trend line which is acting as a stiff resistance. However, when we see this trend line was broken, and the stock is currently trading between 735 and 727. So tomorrow what we have to do is, so this is no trading zone for you, 735.25 and 727.60. This is a no trading zone. If the stock goes above 735, you're gonna go ahead and buy, and the targets you can expect, one moment. So targets you can expect is somewhere around 2 to 3%. Okay, and if it breaks this support line, that is 727.60, you can directly go ahead and sell, and you'll be getting a targets of somewhere around 706.50. So this is also, you can keep eye on this stock. So next stock is Shoppers Stop. Okay, so there is unlock theme going on, and with that, this stock will be in a you know, we can track this stock. So if you see here, it's kind of forming a flag and pole pattern. So this is a kind of a pole, and this is a flag. So now it has already given a breakout. See here, so this resistance trend line has been broken, and the stock is currently trading between 243.05 to 245.35. Tomorrow you have to just mark these levels in your trading view, and so once 245.35 level is crossed in this, you will directly go ahead and buy. Your first targets will be somewhere around 5%, but make sure you are booking the profits somewhere around 3%. Okay, so after booking half of the profits, uh, place a stop loss somewhere around 253.90. Okay, and then trail the stop loss and take the profits if there is still any up move in the stock. Okay, so the next stock is Mahindra CIE Auto. So tomorrow auto sector will be also be in focus. If you see here, the trend line is giving a perfect support for the stock, and also there is a resistant trend line. So this is a resistance trend line which is already been broken. So tomorrow you have to see if the stock goes above 236.10. So tomorrow if this crosses 236, you will go ahead and buy, and the targets will be somewhere around so first targets, okay, so it's somewhere around 242.15. So it's a first target for you. If okay, so 1 second. So we are not going short in this unless and until this trend line or this support line gets broken. All right. So if it goes below this levels, that is 233.85, we'll be selling that. And so very less targets. 1 second. So your next targets will be, for if you are selling the stock, will somewhere come around 231. So mostly this stock is for buying side, so don't short it, because risk reward is not in our favor. So, and however, there are very strong supports. These two lines, that is the 233.85 and 232, or so this trend line is a strong support for the stock. So don't short this. If we are getting a buying opportunity that is about 236.10, you can go ahead and buy. We'll be getting good targets. The last stock for the day is IRB Infra. So this is a typically yesterday's startup hour. So this is also kind of forming a symmetrical triangle. And also if you see, it's kind of a, bullish flag as well. See here. So it's kind of forming a bullish flag. So if we take a targets for this, 1 second. So the targets will be very high for this. However, I will just provide you for intraday. Okay. So the thing when we have to buy on the stock is, if this crosses 159.30, if tomorrow the stock crosses 159.30, directly go ahead and buy. We'll be getting somewhere on targets of 3%. Okay. If this support trend line is broken, 1 second. So if this support trend line is broken, go ahead and short, and you'll be getting a targets of 2%. That is the next support level is at 153.15, and the second support level is at 149.90. So, and anywhere between this range, if this stock behaves in a range bound, don't trade that. Wait for either upside breakout or the downside of this triangle pattern. So as I told, take entry only when 159.30 is broken on the upper side. Okay, so these are the levels. So please don't take a trade apart from these levels. So once you are seeing the levels getting broken, then only go ahead and take a trade, so that you will make a good profits. I hope you have liked this video, you have liked my analysis. Please like this video, share with your friends, and help us grow. I'll be providing you with all the, I mean, every day we'll be providing stocks which are for intraday. So it will take somewhere around for me 2 to 3 hours to get the stocks which will give good momentum tomorrow. So there is a lot of hard work involved. I uh, I expect that you will appreciate my hard work. So thank you so much for all the help and support. All the best for the tomorrow's trading session, and take care. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.